I'm feeling strangely sane today. I am amazing, brave today. I rearranged my
Hey guys, so y'all, I have done this video probably like last month, but I just went ahead and decided to post it this month because yeah, your girl was like, you know, why I haven't posted this video or whatever. That's why you see your girl with the birthday girl headband on, but y'all know your girl birthday was in March, okay? But yeah, I really like this hair. It's definitely giving deep wave because of the way I styled it, and I didn't want to go for like a real tight crimped look or whatever. I wanted to go for that loose crimp so it can give very much deep wave, okay? And that's very much what it's giving. So yeah, we're gonna get right into the specs of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like what you see, and let's continue into the video. Hey y'all, so welcome back. I got the package in a DHL. It came with some lashes, it came with a wig cap, it came with the 2-cap wig cap, okay? And it could actually work out for you, girl, but your girl did not use this one. I'm going in with the Hermosa. This is the hair we are looking at and working with today. I had got the 26-inch straight wig. Yes, it came straight, but your girl did what she did to make it look deep wave, okay? Also, it came in a natural black, okay? And I'm going to be taking it out of the bag, showing you guys what it's giving and all of that. This is also a HD lace, and it is in the inches of 26, okay? 26 inches. I measured this, you guys. I went ahead and just showed you guys how full it looked from the top to the bottom. Like, we love for the wigs to be giving top to bottom fullness because we don't like the little skimpy looking ends on the wigs. So they definitely did what needed to be done on this wig, okay? I'm showing you guys the lace because the lace literally gives skin. It gives you that skin effect like most HD wigs do, okay? So this one definitely did that. It came with combs on the sides and at the back, and it also has a adjustable strap. So I'm just going through. I'm not getting any shedding from this hair. However, I did get some shedding once I went ahead and bleached it. Now I'm going in just showing you guys everything, what it's looking like, brushing through the hair with my paddle brush, and I'm just doing it all the way around, showing you guys. Then you will see me go ahead and take my measuring tape. Now I got this in 26, but it's measuring up to 28, and I will be able to show you guys that right now, okay? Yeah, it's giving that good old 28. We're going in with this got to be glued hairspray, and we're just going to be pushing the whole hairline back just so when we bleach our hair, you know, it won't like bleach the knots on there. Now I don't know why I even did this, but you know, either way it helped me out. But I really don't know why I went ahead and did this because your girl didn't even bleach the knots. Like, let's just really get into it. Your girl did not bleach the knots. I just decided last minute, you know what, let me try to do some at-home DIY highlights with some little crimps, getting this hair from straight to deep wave. Okay, so yeah, you know, if you go ahead and bleach your knots, then you can do this method by just pushing all the hair back, make sure all the hair is out the way so you can be able to bleach the knots. I got so lazy, I was just like, you know what, it's late, I'm not finna bleach no knots. So I went ahead in with the Salon Pro 30 volume and the 40 volume, and then y'all will be seeing me going in with the purple bleach that I have used on my channel so many times. Y'all already know how I do if you have watched previous videos. I'm going in with this chai silk infusion oil. I love it. This lace tint is the bomb.com. It makes your girl not even have to bleach no knots because it matches the skin perfectly. Going in with this boho lace glue. I'm going to be using this Color Weller Charm in T27, and I'm also going to be going in with some of these. Now I did not use these for this particular video. I'm going in with got to be glue. Okay, going in with some brushes because you do need your brush and your bowl, you know, mixing whatever you want to mix it in, but this one I use all the time. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and just took some scissors, some rubber bands. Also, I'm going in with these leggings. These are from my local beauty supplier. They're in the style New or the brand New. And I'm going to be taking some gloves because you definitely need that gloves, or you're going to be messing up your nails, your hands, all that. And yeah, I have definitely been that girl. Don't want to be that girl today. So yeah, going in with some of this aluminum foil. This is the regular foil that you use to cook. I cut it up into little bitty square strips, and I'm going to be doing some at-home DIY highlights. Now, your girl is not a professional, ain't never did it before, okay? But I do know how to, highlight some hair or whatever. I was pretty doing it the lazy way. So I'm just separating all of the hair into track by track. I'm going to be separating track by track into rubber bands or whatever. And then I'm just going to go ahead and weave my comb through each track and just add on the bleach, okay, at the ends. Starting like halfway and going up the whole head. That's what you're going to be seeing me doing. So right now I'm just sectioning it off track for track, and I'm going to be putting that into a rubber band and sectioning it off, and I'm going to be doing that all the way up until I get to the front of the lace. Okay, you guys, so this is what it's looking like after I went ahead and just sectioned every track off into rubber bands. Then you're going to see me go ahead and with this bleach. Now, I just said, you know what, I'm going to need this whole thing to be doing what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to just mix it inside of here. I started off with the 30 volume, and then I went ahead and ran out of that, and then I just went in with the 40 at the top. I feel like, the 40 at the top, it goes quicker anyway, and by the time you get to the top after doing all of this, you're gonna need a higher developer anyway, unless you just moving really, really fast, or whatever you just doing. But this is what your girl did late at night, bored, just doing what I want to do. Okay, I just went ahead and just put that all on the back track. I just went halfway up with it, and then you will see me go in with this second track towards the back, and I would just weave my comb through there and take out little pieces from that track and bleach that, and then fold it up into the 4 pieces, roll it up, and just let it process. You guys, so here is the actual part of me that's weaving my comb in and out through the hair and pulling out the top section of the hair, leaving the bottom part down to not be processed. And I'm just going to be bleaching the top part of the part that we just weaved out, if that makes any type of sense. I've done it again so you guys can see it again what exactly I did. And yeah, this is pretty much what I'm going to be doing all the way till I get to the top. That's in and out, sectioning off each track like that. And I'm just going to be bleaching the top part and leaving the other part black. Okay, you guys, so I do like the way this hair held up. I do like the way it bleached and everything. However, I feel like I could have left it on a little bit longer, but I didn't want to. But, this is my first time working with Hermosa hair, so I didn't want to over bleach my hair, and then my hair just don't work out. However, I did leave the bleach on for about an hour. Like, it took me a whole hour to do it. It was on there for about 15 minutes after that, and then I was just like, yeah, it kind of looked like it's getting a little dry. Let me go back ahead and just start taking it off. So I started with the back, the bottom part that I did first, and I'm just taking it off, and I'm spraying a little water because apparently from other videos that I watched, you can spray water to stop the processing. So I wanted the top part to process a little bit higher or a little bit more. And so to give that time, I just went ahead and sprayed the back part with water as I undid the foil from it. So I hope this makes sense to y'all that's probably trying to do it at home. I will be doing another video, or I will be having another video coming out with a different hair company showing you guys exactly how I did that as well. And I did way better that time with this hair company. Okay, so this is my first time doing the at-home highlights. Normally your girl just do her ombre, but yeah, we went ahead and bleached everything. I did the top part, as y'all can see right now. I'm doing your girl is doing the top part. I went ahead and rinsed everything out, cleaned everything out, and I had went ahead and with this T27 𝘽𝙪𝙨 mixed it with some of my developer. The directions are on the back of this if you guys ever want to do it yourself, and this just helps tone your hair down even more, down to like a 27 color. And I wasn't really going for a 27 color, but I just said, you know what, this will just make all the brassiness, you know, work on out even more, I guess. I didn't really care much. I was just trying to put some little highlights up in my hair, to be honest. Okay, to be honest. And I do like the way it came out. And I already knew that I wasn't going to wear this hair straight. Like, but on my particular birthday, I went ahead and reinstalled this, washed the wig, reinstalled it. You guys can follow me or go and just check out my pages on my other social networks that will be going across the screen and also down below in the description box. Y'all can just check out my pages from when I actually had this hair installed and how I had it straightened and everything, because on this particular video I did not show you guys me having the hair straightened because I wanted the hair to be deep wave. Okay, so yeah, I just went ahead and did this. Of course, the front part was very much lighter, which is what I was going for. And I was just satisfied with me. That's the way it came out, even though I did me a little lazy job. Now, the next video, we really going to be getting into it. So, y'all, you know, stay tuned for that, okay? Okay, now I'm going to be showing you guys this everything that I use to wash the hair. I use this tea tree mint shampoo and conditioner. Of course, I always use the 𝘽𝙪𝙨 shampoo and conditioner, you know, just to tone it down a little bit. And yeah, y'all, like, we wash that hair up, we let it air dry. It air dried and did what it's gonna do. I'm sectioning off some of the top part of it just to make the hairline look more natural, because baby, that hairline is very much full, and your girl want to add like a little bit, you know, of baby hairs in the front just to go with the whole deep wave that we trying to do. Okay,
this ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand.
okay, you guys, so I went ahead and just sectioned off the whole hairline, and I'm just going to be plucking it just a little bit. But before I start plucking, I'm going to go in and just flat iron it down just a little bit. I say flat iron. I'm going to hot comb it down just a little bit with my hot comb, and then I'm going to be plucking back a little bit, you know, not too much, because the hairline was pretty good. I just feel like I need to put a little touch to it. So this is what it looks like after it is very much, you know, air dried fully and brushed out. I went ahead in with this 𝘽𝙪𝙨 Silk Infusion. I'm just going to be rubbing it all into the hair, getting it all up in the hair, okay? Because we don't want no dry spots, and we don't want nothing missed with moisture.
See, what's the point in waiting anymore? 'Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby, it's you. This ring here represents my heart, and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say
So after we got it all the way moisturized and looking good, feeling good, all of that, we're just going to go ahead and we're going to start the crimps. I went ahead and sectioned it off. 2 tracks. I either did 1 or 2 tracks. So it was either a 1-track crimp or a 2-track crimp. Okay. I believe it was 1-track crimp. Okay. Because I did everything probably 1 track, because this is how it is. Okay. I'm going in with this crimp from Petite. I believe that's the name of the brand. Excuse me if I am pronouncing it wrong, but I'm just going to be crimping all the way to the ends. I'm going to be doing that with the whole entire head, and then I will take like a loose comb and just comb it out a little bit, because I don't want it to be like super perfect and give it like, you know how the girls wear the crimps and the crisps be so in line, and baby, that'd be cute, but that's not what your girl was trying to go for. Your girl was trying to go for a more of a loose curl, deep wave type look. Like, you couldn't even be able to tell me this not deep wave hair I bought, okay? Nah, but that's what I was going for. So you just going to be seeing me go ahead and crimp the entire head, and then once we get to the front, we're going to be doing the same thing as well. Guys, so I went ahead in with this Shimmer Lights Heat Protectant for colored hair, and I just sprayed that all over the hair, you guys, because I definitely didn't want my hair to burn off, and and you know, that's not what we was going for. So your girl just went in with this, and you're gonna be seeing me massage it into the hair, comb it out, and then we're gonna get back to doing them crimps. We spray a little bit of the well, actually, we sprayed a lot of it because I wanted these crimps to last while I was on my trip, okay? Even though I ended up not even making this even last that long, because once I got in the shower the first night, baby, that hair got wet as I don't know what. But the curls still stayed a little bit, but most part, they dropped. And then, you know, it was still cute either way. That's why I say this hair, baby. This hair... This is some really good hair, so they definitely have a customer in me again, because I got some pretty good hair, okay? I got some really good hair, you guys. Like, I really do recommend. I recommend. However, yeah, we're going back in with these crimps. Your girl just spraying a little bit of that got to be glued, and we're just going to be making those crimps last and stay popping. And I just love the way they look even like this, but that's not what I was going for. You know, I didn't really comb out a lot of it, but I combed out, you know, just to make it look more loose. I didn't want to make it look too perfect, but I do like the way these crimps is looking. It's definitely a style your girl might go ahead and try out again with this wig and leave like this. So don't ever play with it. But look, y'all, like, I really like the way it looks, okay? I like the way it look with the color and everything. Like, the color is not perfect, but it's not ugly. And also, the hair is bouncy, got style. Even though I went ahead and sprayed the got to be glued, baby, it kept them in line, but it also don't make your hair hard and stiff. It didn't make this hair hard and stiff. Now, I done sprayed some of this stuff on some other hair, and baby, my hair be hard and stiff, but we ain't gonna get up into that. But this particular wig, I really do love, and I really do recommend, and it was super full. So you guys, if you really are into like the super full look, I definitely recommend going up on that density, okay? Because if I would have got that 150, 180, it would have probably been good, but not as full looking as this. So I really am loving this wig. I love this wig till this day, and I have put it in my head probably 3 more times since then, okay? Because by the time it was my actual birthday, y'all, my hair was definitely different from here. This is probably like a week before my birthday, okay? So I had got it reinstalled, and it was different, okay? But you can check that out on my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, so you guys can see what it looked like. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me just showing you guys how your girl did her crimps and got her straight to deep wave hair. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Share it with somebody so they can join the party, okay? Like, comment, share, and subscribe once again. Don't forget to check out my social networks down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.